Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027 how to insert block. So if you want to insert block, you can type insert, press enter, and now you can go to the libraries tab, click on open block libraries button to be sure, and the next you can search for your block. As example, I will use this block example, click open, and then it will be automatically attached into the library. To use, you can click the block, and then you can insert into your drawing area. Okay, to add another block, you can go to the libraries and then click these icons, display file navigation. You can search again for another block, click open, and it will be insert into your the libraries again, and then you can insert to the drawing area. You also can go to the recent tab to view the last use of a block. Okay, that's it for a basic AutoCAD 2027 how to insert block.